I love about Five Links, we really believe in helping each other. I started about a year ago, and what happened is I had no clue what I was doing. I was very successful and documented. I'm an author. I have a Highline car service. I live in a great neighborhood. I have a women's ministry, but I was messed up in the head. So, and I will go over that some other time, but my testimony was I wanted to do this women's ministry, and I just had it in my spirit, took leadership with Pastor Bauer for about a year and a half, and I started this ministry, and I met Regina Bell. She told me about this business. I said, well, if it's only that little, I can't really make a lot of money from it, because I was used to starting businesses where I needed credit lines, very wealthy business partners, a whole bunch of cash. And when they told me about this, I said no. But I had another business coaching churches, teaching them streams of income. And this other pastor told me about it. And I said, okay, it's coming to me twice. Then my son brought it to me. And I said, okay, I'm gonna do it. Right. Then when I got started, I had to outthink, forget about all the stuff I learned on how to run a business and learn this system. And the great thing that happened is I took a bus ride and I met her husband.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and I had no clue. On that bus ride from here to Nationals, Chuck Harden, and I tell his mama all the time, I am so in love with your husband. And his brother.
All the ladies
I tell you, if he's in the room, I'm like, all of us should really be listening to him. I'm being very, very honest. And what happened is, they helped me to understand how to really get and understand this business. So when I went on that trip, I was an executive trainer. They gave me so many nuggets that in less than 8 months, I was a national director and all